all from the area part.
Hi, it's Kai here, and now it's my turn to explain about one of the major part of this project, which is the head of this project. Before that, I'm going to tell the dimension of the head is 30 for the length, 30 for the breadth, and 25 for the height. Next, if you look at this part carefully, each of the parts view has its own function and built up of some other minor parts to make this as a complete functional part. There are some minor parts are connected to the plane head to this part, such like the sanitizer container, screws for the bottom and the sides to hold the holder for the sanitizer container, and the bushing, and also the lids for the container. As you can see, this is the top view of this part, which is that I've shown here, and the whole of the top surface is a pot to connect the aerial and the head part, which is both of them is the major part of this project. And at the top of the sanitizing container is the lid, which is I have built make them to prevent uh, the sanitizing liquid from permeate to the air, which is we all know that sanitizing liquid is easy to permeate into the air because it's made up of alcohol. Next, I'm going to tell you and give some of explanation about the bottom view of this project, which is I've shown here. As you can see there is a cylinder which is extruded from the outer surface of this um, bottom surface of the head. So the cylinder is act as a connector um, to the head part and the body part, which is both of them is the major part of this project, and that's the connector, and which you all can see at the side of the surface in a darker color, which is the screw of holder, which is holding the sanitizer bottle there. um, the screw act as a supporter for the holder to make the holder stick to the head and give the support from the bottom. So this is the front view of this project. As you can see that there is two holes, which is looks like the eye of this robot, which is the hole is extended from the outer surface to connect to the sanitizing container to make the sanitizing liquid to flow out from the head of the robot through the eye of this head. And there is two sanitizing container besides of the head. So this is the back view of this part, and the screw there, which is to ensure the holder is stick to the head, which is same like the screw which is I've explained before in the bottom.
So this is the assembly part. So the assembly part here, it contain the wheel, connector, the body part, the assembly head, aerial, and the palang, and the lid. So if we look at here, the wheel here can rotate to 360, and so the wheel here can rotate. And behind of the robot, the palang can move around so it can stop people before crossing the line. And if the robot can move the head, so the robot can move the head, so it can spray the sanitizer easy to the people. It can rotate left or right. So I think that's all from the assembly. So let's go to the next part.
As a conclusion, we have done our best as a contribution to our country and community as a mechatronic engineering students to fight against COVID-19, and we hope that our project entrance checkup robot could save us from this disaster. Stay together, stay safe.